Aloha guys, Scuba Chris here. Now when you got your power windows, every maybe 5 to 8 years, you're gonna have to replace the motor for the power window itself, right? You don't have to do that. I mean, granted, they're made out of cheapy plastic. So, you know, with the metal grating against the plastic, it's only gonna last so long. But how would you like to extend that? I'm gonna show you how. Use silicone spray like this. Any kind of silicone spray. I like Blaster though. But use any type of silicone spray. You spray the rubber seals here. And what happens is that the rubber is going to make it looser for the glass to go through back and forth. That way it's not going to put pressure on the gearing. Makes sense, right? That's all you have to do. Oh, wow. Look how easy it is. It's just going up and down so easy now. And that's all you have to do. Maybe 2 to 4 times a year, depending on the weather systems, the area. If you're in a hot area or a humid area, you might have to do it more often. I do it 3 times a year myself. So that's all you have to do to extend the life of your power window. And I tell you, it gets expensive. You have to buy the parts, or worse yet, to go in and have somebody else do it for you. Thank you.
And by the way, do not use WD-40. WD-40 is the worst thing you can use because it will dissipate within a week or 2. Thank you.